Good morning, guys. Finally got a real rain day out here in the desert, California. Got a delivery here, some red dot, green dot to a brand new build you'll see here behind me. He wanted me to put it in the garage back here, but obviously you can see there's scaffolding. And we're not supposed to do garage deliveries. I could have set them right inside, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to have to set them outside, nothing I can do. And here we go. So what I'm going to at least do is get them close, and I'm going to double stack them. Sorry, try to get you situated there. Now they don't carry the bags out here in the desert to cover the tops of pallets, and you can see my boxes are all wet, but because the product inside, as soon as you open it, it's plastic, so they didn't seem to care, and they wanted me to send it out anyways. So I got a curb climb here, got a lock differential, and this sand is usually pretty soft to the other delivery I did in this neighborhood. I was having a hard time in the sand, but now that it's rained, this is going to be just fine. It's going to make it way easier on me. So what I'll do is I will, right before the scaffolding, drop both my pallets, one red dot, one green dot, and then I will double stack them. So I'm going to pick the red dot next, go right next to it. I'm just going to leave my differentials locked, even on the street here, so it's just a turnaround. Today's one of the worst rain days we've had out here in a while. Streets are flooding to the point where cars can't get through intersections, and to where they shut certain streets down due to flooding. So what I'll do, because these boxes got wet, you know, I mentioned something at the store, and they told me they don't have in their budget, for whatever reason, I guess because we barely ever use them, those bags that would normally cover the product. So it was the store's decision to send them out. So that's something to you new guys. You know, if the store wants to send something out and it has the potential to be damaged during transport, you want to get a hold of whoever's your boss or market manager or whoever it may be, to let them know the store's taking the liability and sending you out with it. You got to cover your backside. Because if it was up to me, I would have had to wrap this. You know, I had this one wrapped a little bit on top, and that's why I chose to stack the other one first, because this is the only one that has any kind of wrap on top. So I'll be plopping this first on top here. Another reason I stayed a little farther away from the scaffolding, because I was going to go too high. I don't want to get into knocking scaffolding over. And this was scheduled for an unintended drop, so if this gate was closed and locked, I would have had to drop this curbside. So they're getting basically best case scenario in this situation with the scaffolding up, the gate open, and it not being curbside. So we got one more. Now I did a couple other videos on doing these curb climbs. This driveway has obviously not been built yet. So I just did a couple videos on curb climbs. This one's not so bad. The one I had been delivering to, we had to put lumber down on this side and on the other side of the curb because the dirt had run out. So there was a big drop off. So this was just a hump here. So we had to use lumber on both sides of that. So you gotta take that in consideration also, not just the front side of the curb, but if you're gonna have a big drop off on the other side. If you're gonna do beyond curbside and attempt that, keep that in mind. So we'll just drop this last one here. A bunch of stuff coming out. Alright, there you go. 4 pallets, and they got a little bit of work to do. The workers haven't even showed up yet. I don't know if they called it a day due to the rain. It seems to happen a lot out here. I don't know what that has to do with the inside of the house, but that's it for this one. So just remember, report anything that could get damaged in transport due to weather that they want you to take out. And then again on the curb climb, lock those differentials. If you need to, grab some lumber. And if you can't do it, you just gotta drop it curbside, and that's just the way it goes. So that's it for this one, guys. Give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, if you want to see more deliveries like this. I'll catch you all on the next one.